Hi guys, I'm Dave Dare, RC Hound Reviews. Thank you for stopping by. Today let's look at the E88 brushed motor drone. It's a quadcopter style folding drone with dual cameras, 2.4 gigahertz remote control, and you can also fly it with the app. So let me show you how to get started and get this thing up in the air. Thanks for watching. Here we go. First we're going to unfold the drone. Front arms out first and then the back, just like so. Place the battery in just like that. Then you snap it in place. Power on the drone by pressing the top button. Then power on the remote control. Slide the left stick up and down. And then you're bound to the drone, so everything's binded. Here we go. Now we're going to find the Wi-Fi signal in our phone. Exit out of here. Into our Wi-Fi by long pressing the Wi-Fi icon. I'm going to shut mine off and back on. Usually pops up faster that way. There it is. Wi-Fi 8K. Just connect to that. Wait for the notification. Then select yes so it'll stay connected. There it is. Yes. Okay, we can exit out of that and go to the drone app, which is RCFPV, found on Google Play Store. Open the drone app. You'll have to allow some things when you first download the app and open it to allow it to save photos and things of that nature. Anyway, once you're done with that, then you simply hit start, and then you're connected to the drone. And you can see what it's seeing. You can see that at all. There's some stuff on YouTube there. Anyway, that works. Now, you can take still shots by hitting the camera icon. There's the map permissions right there. Okay, you can take video by hitting the video icon. Pops up a timer and turns yellow so you can see it's recording. Stop it by tapping the icon again. Just like that. Then here's your gallery. You can go in there. It does have a bottom camera, so tap on that and it'll switch between the cameras. Can't see much right now because I'm sitting on the table. There you go. Okay, switch back. You can fly with the phone app by simply hitting the controller app, and then you have to power off the remote. And some more settings here. Select special effects. You can have music. Maybe you can reverse the image. Let's see. Yep, flips it over. It does have VR mode. I believe you have to have the control on. App control. For some reason. Yeah, right there. You have that on. And you can select VR modes, and you have, this is calibration. It'll calibrate the drone when you're controlling it with the phone. You also have your gyro. Or that's what I just showed you, is the gyro calibration, headless mode, that's a flight path, gesture mode, and headless mode as well. Okay, so let me show you a little about the functionality of it. So to start the drone, just simply, to unlock the motors, just press up on the left joystick, just like that. If you don't want to take off, just leave it alone and it'll shut down. But if you wanted to take off, then and you just simply push up on the throttle stick again, and then you lift up into the air. We also have auto takeoff, auto landing buttons right there. This one pointing up is auto takeoff, and the one pointing down, auto landing. Up here we have speed settings. So flip through all your speeds there. We have compass, or not compass, but gyro calibration, headless mode, and then 360 there. And then these are all trim buttons, so you can trim the drone if it's going one way or the other to the fine tune. Well, other than that, guys, I think that's about everything you need to know to get this thing up in there and have fun with it. Hope you all have a wonderful holiday. Have a happy 4th of July, and thank you for stopping by, and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.